The bustling streets of Dhaka awaken with the first rays of sunlight, their energy humming with possibility. Here, food is not just a necessity, it is an adventure, a culture, and a celebration. The air is thick with aromas, the tangy zest of tamarind, the earthy warmth of spices, and the unmistakable sizzle of dough meeting hot oil. For food vloggers, Dhaka's vibrant street food culture is an irresistible invitation, promising a journey where every step unveils a new flavor, a new story, and a new connection. As you wander through the city's labyrinthine lanes, the first thing that captures your senses is the sheer diversity of food on offer. Vendors, many of whom have been perfecting their craft for generations, set up their humble carts and stalls, each specializing in a signature dish. Fuchka vendors scoop crisp, hollow shells and fill them with a spicy, tangy mixture of mashed potatoes, chickpeas, onions, and tamarind water. A little further, you find chotpoti, another beloved snack where peas, potatoes, chopped boiled eggs, and onions are mixed with a symphony of spices, creating a sensation that dances across your palate. Jhalmuri, the iconic puffed rice snack, is assembled before your eyes with a flurry of motion. The vendor tosses together rice, peanuts, cucumber, green chilies, mustard oil, and a secret blend of spices, shaking the mixture high above the counter before pouring it into a rolled-up newspaper cone. Each bite is crunchy, spicy, and full of surprises, a testament to the ingenuity of Dhaka's street cooks. But the culinary journey does not end in the capital. Each city in Bangladesh has its own unique street food offerings, shaped by geography, history, and tradition. In Chattogram, the coastal city known for its spirited people and bold flavors, Mezban beef reigns supreme. This dish is more than just food, it's an event. Large pots of aromatic, slow-cooked beef are prepared for communal feasts, their rich, spicy flavors drawing crowds from every corner. Travel north to Sylhet, and you'll encounter Kala Bhuna, a dark, intensely flavored beef or mutton curry that pairs perfectly with steaming rice or soft, fluffy naan. The dish's deep color and robust taste come from hours of slow cooking and the careful caramelization of onions and spices, a labor of love for both the cook and the diner. During the Bengali New Year, or Pohela Boishakh, the rural areas of Bangladesh come alive with Panta Eilish. This traditional meal of fermented rice soaked in water, served with fried hilsa fish, chilies, and onions, is a symbol of prosperity and tradition. For vloggers, capturing these moments is about more than just food. It's about documenting the rituals and joy that unite families and communities. Rajshahi is famed for its mangoes, juicy, fragrant, and bursting with sweetness. In Khulna, the rivers provide a bounty of freshwater shrimp, cooked in curries or simply grilled over open flames. Rangpur is renowned for its sweets, particularly roshagola and chomchom, which melt on the tongue and leave a lingering taste of happiness. What makes these culinary adventures so compelling is the cultural and regional diversity that Bangladesh offers. Each journey across the country reveals how food is shaped by local customs, religious festivals, and the rhythms of daily life. In the alleys of Old Dhaka, you might stumble upon a vendor preparing beef tahari, a fragrant rice dish cooked with tender beef and a medley of spices, its roots tracing back to Mughal kitchens. In a small village, a grandmother might be stirring a pot of payesh, a rice pudding that is both comfort and celebration. For vloggers, these experiences are more than just content. They are stories waiting to be told. The vibrant, colorful scenes of street food preparation are inherently visual. The rhythmic chopping of vegetables, the clatter of ladles against steel pots, the wafting clouds of steam rising from freshly cooked biryani. All these elements create an immersive tapestry that draws viewers in, no matter where they are in the world. The process of making these foods is often as fascinating as the tasting itself. Watching a street vendor expertly roll and fry samosas or deftly assemble a plate of chotpoti with a flourish of spices offers a glimpse into the artistry and skill that goes into every dish. The sizzling of oil, the crackle of spices, and the friendly chatter of customers create a symphony of sounds that is both familiar and exotic. But perhaps the most rewarding aspect of food vlogging in Bangladesh is the human connection. Every vendor has a story, a tale of family recipes, of hard work, and of dreams built one plate at a time. Engaging with these individuals, listening to their stories, and sharing a meal with them brings an authenticity that resonates deeply with audiences. It's not just about the food, it's about the people who make it, the traditions they uphold, and the communities they nourish. These human moments are the heart and soul of food vlogging. When a vendor smiles and offers a taste of their signature dish, or when a local family invites you to join their festival meal, it's a reminder that food is a universal language, one that bridges cultures and forges connections. For viewers, seeing these interactions makes the experience more relatable and heartfelt, transforming a simple food review into a story of discovery and friendship. The visual appeal of street food, combined with the emotional depth of personal stories, gives this content a unique power to captivate audiences. Street food videos from Bangladesh frequently go viral, fueled by the novelty of the dishes, the lively atmosphere of the markets, and the curiosity of viewers around the globe. The affordability of street food also means that vloggers can sample a wide variety of dishes without breaking the bank, making the exploration both practical and exciting. Bangladesh's compact geography further enhances the appeal for vloggers. Cities are often just a few hours apart by road or rail, enabling content creators to cover multiple regions in a single trip. This accessibility allows for rich, diverse content that showcases the full spectrum of the country's culinary landscape. For aspiring vloggers, the street food scene in Bangladesh offers a goldmine of opportunities. Every corner, every alley, and every market is brimming with stories of innovation, tradition, and resilience. Whether you're capturing the midnight rush at a biryani stall in Dhaka, the serene beauty of a rural Panta Eilish feast, or the jubilant chaos of a festival in Chattogram, each experience adds a new layer to your narrative. The appeal of this content is universal. Foodies are drawn to the bold flavors and inventive recipes. Travelers are intrigued by the chance to explore new places and cultures through their cuisine. Those with roots in Bangladesh feel a sense of nostalgia and pride, while international audiences are captivated by the colors, sounds, and stories that leap off the screen. Ultimately, the journey of a food vlogger in Bangladesh is about more than just eating. It's about exploration, connection, and storytelling. It's about discovering the heart of a country through its food and sharing that journey with the world. Each plate is a reflection of history, geography, and identity. Each vendor is a custodian of tradition, and each meal is an invitation to learn, to taste, and to celebrate. In the end, what draws food vloggers to Dhaka and beyond is the promise of discovery. The streets of Bangladesh are alive with possibility, offering a blend of taste, culture, and human connection that is truly unique. For those with a camera and an appetite for adventure, every meal is a new story waiting to be told, a delicious chapter in the ever-evolving tale of Bangladesh's rich and diverse street food culture.